Alright, y'all, so in today's upload, I'm gonna be talking about, all the mods that I've done to the car within this whole year that I've had it. Most of everything is like cosmetic work. I haven't touched nothing under the hood. And mostly all the stuff, I've done it myself with the help, other people. But yeah, y'all already know. Go ahead and like this video, drop an emoji, green emoji, come back after the video's over, leave a comment. And if you ain't already subscribed, then what's wrong? And don't skip those ads. But if the ad is too long, you can click on the advertisement, then click off, and then go back and skip the ad so I can, get that money. Oh, I want to give a shout out to that.boy_Wayne. Y'all head over to his channel and, give him a subscribe and see what he got going on. I'm supposed to be giving somebody else a shout out. I forgot your name. And the person that know your name, they ain't responding to my snap right now.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The big liking boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being on all bitch caught the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and let bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime in the do, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real all star. Used to pull up and shoot up the water. Now show us the nigga that targets. Let's do it. Hot little boy now.
As y'all can see, I'm back to the basics. Back in the work clothes. Atlanta was fun. I had to use vacation days in order to go to Atlanta, but it was fun. I met a lot of people. Like I said, I done said all this before in another video, but it was some of y'all that I couldn't add in videos because of the copyright. Too much copyright being played, so I had to kind of leave it out. But in this video, I'm gonna be discussing, all the mods that I've done within this year of ownership. Most of it is just like little cosmetic work, but I haven't touched nothing under the hood. But what's next for slime is I plan on getting it wrapped, like a full wrap. But before I get a full wrap, I got, a couple ideas that I want to get out the way first that I've had planned. It's something similar to what I've already got, but I don't want to tell y'all too much. But it's got some color to it. So it's gonna be a new look for slime, the beginning of the year. I'm over this look. It still looks good to me, but I'm over the look. I done outgrown it already. It's time for something different. Next year I'm gonna start touching up under the hood, making it a little faster. Also, y'all know I want to be louder. It's got to be louder. Next year, whenever I feel like fully prepared, I'm gonna start entering in car shows. Also, if you're a business and you wanna sponsor me on a route, just let me know. Slide in my DMs on Instagram and let me know. And make sure you somewhere close around. And please make sure you somewhere close around, because I stay all the way in North Carolina. There be so many people hitting me up that's like out of state, and I can't really travel like that because I'm working every day. I'm not gonna prolong this video out. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm not gonna go in no kind of order. I'm gonna just go around the car, and as I see, I'm gonna name it. This front splitter right here, I got this from Icon Motorsports. I think I paid like $150 or $60 for it. Originally, I had another splitter before with the extension rods, but at a certain amount of speed that I had got to, one of the extension rods came off and it was ugly. Yeah, I thought my whole front end was about to come off. But I got these right here from Amazon. As you can see, I got the stripes. I ordered those stripes offline, and I had NRL Designs in Lumberton to put them on. Y'all seen me put this on recently. I ordered this piece offline. Tint. Tint was the first mod I actually did. I got 35% on the front windshield and 15 all around. I got the sunroof open right now, so it's letting in a little bit of light. 15 at the back also. On the sunroof, sides, everything. Decals. I added them myself. I got this done in Laurinburg at the same place that put these on to the wheels. These right here is still the stock wheels that came with the car, the 245s. I done went through I don't know how many tire stickers. I added these wheel nuts. I did have some side splitters, but they was like the easy little side splitters, you know, you stick on, but that didn't last long. NRL Design put this on first. I got this added on whenever I got the stripes put on. If y'all go back and watch that video where somebody busted my window, that's whenever I got them put on. Tires. I think I done went through 4 sets of back tires. You know, the back tires, they originally came with 245s also. Whenever I first switched tires, I went with, I think, 295, 45, 20. Them was beefy. I'ma show y'all them.
Damn it, Lord.
I got a lot of burnouts in them, but it's like doing certain speeds, it wasn't good. So right now I got 295, 35, 20s. I done had Pirellis, I done had Nittos, and some other mess. These right here is yeah, them. I said I was gonna just buy, you know, some cheap 295s, because I'm about to burn them out soon and get me some 305s for the winter. This WickerBill, I think this WickerBill was like maybe the 3rd mod that I had got. Yeah, this is the WickerBill with like the tint on it right here. Still got my stock tailpipes. Y'all know I got the mid muffler delete with the resonators. The YouTube at the back. The inside, now my car is dirty. I did a video of the interior. I bought basically all the interior stuff off of Amazon. Anything red you see was off Amazon. Also, go check out Full Option and get y'all one of those. I'm still using mine. If it'll focus, you know, it's still smelling good. I got a pedal box. I installed it myself. Also, I got underglows. I mean, you ain't gonna be able to see it right now. I might wait till just nighttime to show it. I got underglows. It's not no certain kind of kit. A friend of mine, he has his own shop, and he put them on for me. I don't order no lights. He have all the lights. I actually had him to double up on each side, so where, you know, you have a strip around, you know, the whole car, I got double strips around the whole car to make the bottom brighter. But that's all the work that I got done. Right here, I have all my apps for my lights that I can control. Most of them for my other car, because I had a lot of lights on that, so I might show y'all that too. But this right here, this is how I control these lights. You know, earlier they was on red. You know, you can't drive with red. Usually when I park, I have them on red. You know, you just scroll through, change the different patterns. right here, you know. When I ride, they usually on a pattern, but that's how it looks. My interior lights, I have them on red.
Hey, come on. Let's do it.
Look like that on both sides. And in the back.
Spin the block getting busy, we play with them six, bitch, I'm tripping. This week got me spilling my liquor. The choppers got bins on the bottles, I don't give a fuck about the bitch, I'ma fuck all the sisters. Say you want to smoke, you can get it. We out here thugging big lots, we ain't running for shit. Bitch, we loaded, so shit gon' get lit. I'm stacking investor for future moves, trying to get rich. Let's keep it real. These fuck niggas pussy, they sending them shots.